Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is April 6, 2017. My name's Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, we're going to take a look at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, and what you'll see here is that the futures right now are trading higher by 2.5 points to 23.49 per contract. Now, yesterday the market did stage a big reversal sell-off. So yesterday markets were up sizably, and then right around 2 o'clock, they did start to sell off in what we call a waterfall type decline. So again, market's trying to recover a little bit today. We'll see how it plays out, but yesterday's sell-off was pretty steep and pretty big. So today is going to be a very, very important and hopefully a very, very good and profitable trading day, as was yesterday. So again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You can trade right along with us, and it's been a lot of fun this week, and we've had good profits in the bank. All right, let's take a look at our first stock in the news today. It's going to be BBBY, which is Bed Bath Beyond. And what you're going to see here is stock right now is trading at $38.90, closed at $37.80. So it's up about $1 from its close. The company did report earnings yesterday. Again, this is a retailer. Retail has been very, very weak as of late. But right now, this is gapping up this morning. So we'll respect it while we see it. And again, we'll watch this one going forward. Next one I want to take a look at is going to be Yum Brands China. YUMC is the ticker symbol there. Stock right now is trading at $31.25. Closed at $28.18. Now, this is a spin-off, so we don't have a lot of data out here for this name. Take a look at the weekly chart. This was spun off right in October of 2016, so there's not a lot of data here. But we could tell right off the bat you do have a lot of resistance up around the highs. So that's the best you could do with a stock like this because you just don't have a lot of data. So I'm going to say, you know, again, it looks a little bit overbought, a little bit overstretched to me as it is making new highs. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, there's not a lot we could do with it now, but we'll look at it in the intraday stock chat, and we'll see what it tells us there. Let's take a look at Constellation Brands, STZ. This is gapping up nicely. I believe they came out with some sort of numbers. You can check out the news for yourself. Right now, the stock's trading at 169.14, closed at 161.40. So this is a great little pop. I'm going to give it the upside bias to around 173. Again, I'm not sure it's going to go right up there, so if you own it, trail the stop loss. But try to ride this out if you do have it. If you don't own it, I wouldn't do anything at this stage of the game. But this could have potentially more upside to go, as it is pretty strong. Let's take a look at Winnebago, WGO. This stock is getting hit this morning. It's trading at $26.70. It looks like there is, or there was, a secondary offering done here. So again, stock coming under pressure. The only level that would interest me today would be 25.25. Stock gets down to 25.25. I'm watching it. I think I might take a stab at it there. Also, $24.10 is a pretty good level as well. So keep that on the radar. But 25.25, there may be a play there if it gets down to that level. Keep it on the radar for Winnebago today. Next up, we want to take a look at CarMax, KMX. This stock's catching a nice bid. It looks like there were earnings that came out. I did not know that. But looks like stock is trading up to $58.50. So a good little move there. I was waiting on this one. $54 was the level I was looking to get into CarMax. But either way, good little gap up today. Right now trading at $58.50. Again, right around the $60 level is the big resistance point. So we'll see if this stock can get there or even challenge that resistance area. So again, good move for CarMax. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone. But we will be looking at this one in the intraday stock chat room today. We'll see what kind of pattern we get. Advanced Micro Devices, AMD, being downgraded by Goldman Sachs today. So that's in the news. Looks like it's removed from its conviction buy list. The stock right now is trading at $13.52, closed at $14.17. So decent little downtick there. I am seeing some support around $12.35 if it gets there. So keep that on the radar. There should be pretty good support there. Let's take a look at Sunoco. Looks like Sunoco is selling off, I believe, their convenience stores to 7-Eleven for $3.3 billion. Sunoco right now trading at $26.03. Stock closed at $23.86. Great pop there. A lot of resistance around 27.60 though. So again, 200-day moving average will come in play right here. There's going to be a ton of resistance here. Also more around the $30 level with this pivot top. So again, a lot of resistance levels coming up on Sunoco. But keep it on the radar. If it gets there, we could get some scalp short positions. Next up, we want to take a look at Schnitzer Steel. SCHN is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now, the company I should say, reported earnings. Right now you're not seeing any movement. It's right where it closed. Oh, let me go to the pre-market. Maybe there is. Yeah, a little bit. So the stock's trading at 20.60, closed at 20.35. I don't know if I can make much out of this right now. Volume is just too light to talk about. But we will keep it on the radar today. A lot of support on this stock, around $19 if it does fade. So keep that on the radar, and we'll see how it plays out a little bit later. All right, let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go to the gold market. Gold is getting a bid up $6.60 on spot. Right now, gold futures trading up to $1,255 an ounce. Let's look at the GLD, which is a good leading gold ETF, trading at 119.34. So again, this is just a little bit under where it closed yesterday. But remember, gold trades till 1:30 in the afternoon. Then electronic trade kicks in. The GLD will track the electronic trade action, which goes all the way till 4 o'clock. All right, let's move over to the crude oil market. Crude oil trading up 32 cents to $51.48 a barrel. Let's go over to the USO, which is a good oil ETF, and that's trading up around $10.80, closed at 10.68. So oil is up a little bit, gold is up a little bit. Stocks right now are up a little bit as futures catch a $3.75 bid. It was only up 2.5 points when we first started this video. So again, pretty interesting trading day. We had a great trading day. Lots of action yesterday. And again, lots of action this week. So again, if you want to come over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You could trade right alongside of us. It's a totally, fully interactive chat room where you get to ask us questions. We show you our charts live. And again, we're having a great trading week this week, and we're going to look to keep that going right into tomorrow. So with that being said, everybody, I want to leave it here short and sweet. Wish you all a great trading session. Come on over, take that 7-day free trial, and we will see you on the charts.